Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Stash to start investing with just $5, even if you've never invested before. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple investing guides like this. Now, let's get started. So first, what makes Stash great for beginners is that you don't need a lot of money to start. You can literally begin with as little as $5, which makes it perfect if you're just testing the waters. Now let's go step by step. First, download and open the Stash app. Once you create an account and log in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. This is where you'll see investment suggestions, portfolios, and your account overview. Next, you'll need to add funds. Go to the Add Money or Deposit section and link your bank account. Once linked, transfer at least $5 into your Stash account. After your money is available, it's time to choose what to invest in. You can tap on the Investing tab and browse different options like stocks, ETFs, or themed portfolios. If you're a beginner, ETFs are usually a safer and smarter place to start because they spread your money across multiple companies. Now, select an investment you like. For example, you might choose a popular ETF or a well-known stock. Once you open it, tap Buy. This is where the magic happens. You can choose how much you want to invest. Enter $5 or any amount above that. Confirm your order, and that's it. Your investment is complete. Even with just $5, you officially own a piece of that stock or ETF. Now let's talk about what happens next. Your investment will grow or decrease based on the market. You can check your portfolio anytime to see how your money's performing. But remember, investing is not about quick gains. It's about long-term growth over time. That's why Stash also offers auto-investing features where you can keep adding small amounts regularly without thinking about it every time. Quick tips. Start with ETFs if you're a beginner. They're more stable than individual stocks. Don't worry about starting small. Consistency matters more than the amount. Set up automatic deposits if possible to build your portfolio faster. Avoid checking your portfolio too often. It can lead to emotional decisions. Always think long-term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't invest money you might need soon. Increase your contributions slowly as you get more comfortable. So the main takeaway is this: you don't need a lot of money to start investing. With just $5 in a platform like Stash, you can begin building your financial future step by step. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.